case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1963, the United States Supreme Court case of Gibson v. Florida Legislative Investigation Committee centered around the principle that the government cannot infringe upon individual rights of free speech and association without a compelling reason. The case stemmed from the state of Florida's Legislative Investigating Committee's attempts to obtain the membership list of Miami's National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, NAACP, in order to investigate suspected communist activities. However, the president of the Miami NAACP branch refused to produce the records, arguing that doing so would violate the 14th Amendment's right to association. The Florida Supreme Court held that the committee could compel the custodian of the records to bring them to the hearings, but the president appealed to the Supreme Court. The court focused on whether the legislative investigating committees had a compelling state interest in obtaining the membership list, or if it violated the right to privacy of association. Prior rulings held that any legislative investigation must have a clear and substantial connection to the information sought, and that the power of compulsory process must be limited in order to protect sensitive freedoms like speech and political association. The court emphasized that groups not involved in illegal activities were protected in their free and private association. Ultimately, the Supreme Court decided that the Florida investigating committees weren't entitled to access the NAACP's membership lists, since an adequate foundation for inquiry had not been established. This decision underscored the importance of carefully exercising the power of legislative investigation while respecting the rights to free speech, political association, and privacy in one's associations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.